Hello friends, welcome to Dailybits of Life. Just before a few weeks I bought the product which I really like, so I was thinking to share the reviews with you. Maybe it will be helpful for someone. So this is the air fryer, which is so handy and so essential for our kitchens. So they give us touch screen and it has a many options in it. As you can see, it has a french fries, pizza, fish, croissants, cupcakes, chicken and many more. If you don't want to try these things, so you can also do whatever you like to cook, and you can adjust the temperature and the timings as per as you like. And it has a big basket. I have a 16-inch basket, but it is available in a various sizes, so you can buy in large, small, medium, whatever is convenient for you. But this size I recommend because this is a good, it can capture a good quantity of food. It can cook easily, and whatever the time is here, if you want to put this kind of option in it, you don't need to set the time or temperature. It is automated set, so you just put the basket in and let it go. It will start itself, it will finish itself. You don't need to do nothing, you don't need to worry about anything. And after cooking, the thing which is so useful and so good is the washing thing. You can adjust in you can put it in a dishwasher easily. It has just one basket and one grill in it, so you can put in a dishwasher. You don't need to worry about any spraying or any hard cleaning work like oven we are used to do. So this is so handy, and I really like it. I recommend. And one more thing I forgot is the healthy cooking. We don't need to put any oil, any single drop of oil in it. We can do the french fries. So it's like when it's ready, so crunchy, so fresh, and you not even believe it is without any oil. So it's so healthy and less fatty. So I would like to give it 5 stars. I just want to show you the raw french fries, which is the most common snack for everyone. And the french fry needs a lot of oil, but here we are not adding anything at all. I just put raw french fries and I'll put it on, and it has the option of french fries and automatic time set. So what I need to do is open it on, and we'll wait until it's finished. So let's check french fries. Wow, how crispy and fresh they are. Let's try it. It's so nice, very nice. Hopefully you like this video and useful for someone, helpful for someone. If you like it, give me thumbs up. Do comment in the comment box, and if you like my channel, please do subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.